up your living space to the outdoors and creating an inviting extension of your home is one of the hottest trends right now in residential construction. The patio door is a critical component of that. And just as important as the curb appeal is the functionality and security that the door provides.
When you look at the window and door industry, in the past it was we would get a stock size product and ship it to the customer. But like many industries, the customers in the marketplace are demanding more. So one of our bigger challenges in the manufacturing plant for doors is how do you effectively and capably produce a custom sized door? With the market changing to more features and options, it's really forced us in manufacturing to change as well. Our answer to that market need has been technology. We're bringing more and more technology onto the shop floor to help us with precision fabrication. So for a custom sized door, the customer will actually input the exact height and width of the door that they're looking for. That the information that goes right into our quote tool will actually electronically flow all the way down to our milling equipment, so there's no data translation and no potential error in making a custom sized stick. This is probably the biggest door plant in the US for patio doors. I think we have 15 different product lines that we produce in this plant alone. A product line isn't just a patio door, it's a single, a double, a triple, and a quadruple door. So for every product family, there's many, many different configurations. Frankly, whatever the customers want, or whatever the architects can dream up, that's what we're looking to produce. I would tell you our number one competitive advantage in the Andersen door plant is absolutely our workforce. So our folks really understand all the nuances of our designs, they really understand their job, and they're wonderful stewards of our brand. You start with a piece of rough cut stock. This is not just a piece of wood, right? This is a highly engineered, laminated piece of lumber designed to be ultra strong, and we want to make sure it stays straight through the life of the door. We load these pieces of cut stock into our milling equipment. Here we're going to mold the profile into the part, as well as put the end fabrication into the component. And the next step in the operation is we're really loading into our finishing system. So step one is we put the wood through a preservative treatment that puts insecticide and fungicide on the wood, and also adds some water repellent. And then we'll paint the wood using two layers of our high performance painting system. It's a 2-component cross-linking paint that's extremely durable and then provides that nice aesthetic appeal for the door. The next step of the operation is we're going to machine the holes for the door hardware, as well as we'll route out the spots for the door hinges. So this is also a machine that can make custom sized products. So this machine here is actually tied to our customer order software. And now the last part of the process is assembling the door for the customer. Here we're taking the 4 parts that we CNC routed, we'll assemble those into the door panel, we'll lay the glass, and then we'll hang that door panel into the door frame.
And that's it.
And that's it.
It's one thing to build something and then move it to the next station. But here at Andersen, the people take a different approach. They'll build a door, ship it out, and then bring it back randomly to inspect it and test it, assuring the quality or identifying potential improvements.
And the panel exterior appearance, what do you feel we should give that? And there's a separate category for fillet beams, all right? So go ahead.
Behind us, we're looking at a key point of this process, which is the testing and the durability of the elements. What's happening here?
And what we're trying to do is really simulate the kind of weather conditions that the product could see in the field. And it's really kind of our last layer of defense to make sure that we're producing a quality product.
How much rain is hitting and water is hitting this door?
The current spray pattern is modeling at 8 inches an hour of rainfall.
Wow.
And then from a wind perspective, you don't see a big fan out here. What you really see is a vacuum behind the door. And that vacuum is inducing pressure on the door that can simulate actually up to like a 230 mile an hour windfall. So we're really looking to make sure that we're validating that all of our manufacturing processes, all of our people, all the expertise that goes into making a product will yield a product that will actually perform for our customer.
When you install a door for a homeowner, you expect it to be a long-lasting, durable, and secure door. And that's exactly what Andersen wants too. Next time we look at how those same principles are translated to their window product line on Inside Andersen Windows and Doors.